Color TV. Color TV machiegni pacho. Ma e odwa.
Negeno marano odiochieng' mari obedo makare kamoro moro ma intiere janeno mar Color TV otieno ma kawuono mar chieng' tich adek tarik 18 dwe mar ariyo higa 2026 machiegni weche manyien e kidieny mar ng'endo weche kama waikoni mathoth to motelo yud thuond weche ogogo. Oganda jokopere pacho kaendi odiochieng' ma kawuono chako ayanga nyasi nendo mar Saburu chendo nendo mabiro dhi nyime kuom thuolo maromo ndalo 40 mabiro.
Kumaanisha kwamba tunafaa pia kuwasaidia wale ambao hawana, lakini cha muhimu ni kujua ni safari. Tunasafisha nyoyo zetu, tunapata nguvu ya imani katika maisha yetu.
Seneta e kaunti ma Nairobi Edwin Sifuna kaachiel kod Babu Owino kwedo malich mokalo winjruok mobedo e kinde Gavana Johnson Sakaja kaachiel kod jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto.
They have no program, they have no vision for the future of our country.
Anyuola mar rawera Vincent Ayoma mane onegi e kinde nyasi mar siasa e kar dak nendo ma Kitengela kwedo piny owacho makoro giyango ni ne otamore mar mondo kik tim bero ne ringre mare.
Tena tunaambiwa ati bado turudi tena Kitengela, sijui malo alimlekesha mwili sijui nini. Sasa tuelewi mambo inakuwa aje hapo.
David Kinani Marago odiochieng' ma kawuono yudore kama tek e kinde moganda mawuok e masawa mar piny Kenya ne orakore kode Kariembe.
Hiyo ni kitu ambayo imepitwa na wakati. Kenya tumetoka hapo. Ukiona serikali inatumia nguvu wakati huu, hiyo ni kuonyesha wamepanic.
Jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto singo mar neno ni ochwalo chendo mopogore opogore ne oganda mawuok e kaunti ma Nairobi.
Tuko na sera, tuko na agenda, tuko na maono. We have a track record for what we have done.
Ne mago kaachiel kod mamoko mathoth arwakni machiegni bedo koda chakruok nyaka giko. Nyinga Joash Odhiambo Mitula ka jaloko marwa en nyadendi Bella Achieng' ka wechigi e kibende nyalo luwo kokalo e mbui magwa mag tudruok manendo Color TV Live e Facebook, X @Color TV KE kaachiel kod YouTube Color TV Kenya. Wachako kama ni oganda gi kuma gin jodin jokopere odiochieng' ma kawuono nobago nyasi gi kuma gi Saburu mabende jo oganda go eko maleme kanise mopogore opogore pacho kaendi kane oriwore kod jowetegi mantiere piny mangima dhialo odiochieng' ma kamanindo. Nyasi ogogo biro dhi nyime kuom thuolo maromo ndalo 40 e kinde niendi makoro gi bago kata gi geto mar mondo girwaka nyasi gi eko mag Easter e pacho kaendi mangima. Nyasi onogo no bage kanise mopogore opogore kabuore Nairobi e kanisa nendo mar Holy Basilica. Koro jadolo makone ndo Father David Kamau ne oyango ni odiochieng' ma kawuono en mane ndo mabende koro ne mieno buru ewi jogo eko magin jo kanisa onogo, kendo en chendo nendo mabende koro biro medo dhi nyime ka oganda ijiwo mar mondo gine ni gibedo jogo eko maweyo richogi ka giikore ne Easter.
Ni muda wa kujua kwamba tusipigane, ule umoja unakuja na unaonekana vyema siku ya leo na siku zingine. Na kufunga sio chakula tu, kama vile Baba Mtakatifu Leo wa 14 anasema, kufunga pia maneno yetu. sio kuwaumiza wengine, sio kuwadharau wengine, sio kuwahukumu wenzetu na jirani zetu. Kwaresma inakuwa ni nafasi ya kurudia Mungu na wenzetu, na kwa hivyo tunapofunga, tunafunga tukijua kwamba ni wengine tunataka kufikia, hasa wale ambao hawana. Na kwa hivyo lengo la tatu la Kwaresma ni kumaanisha kwamba tunafaa pia kuwasaidia wale ambao hawana. Lakini cha muhimu ni kujua ni safari. Tunasafisha nyoyo zetu, tunapata nguvu ya imani katika maisha yetu, na vile vile tunaendelea kutayarisha Kristu afufuke katika nyoyo zetu.
Tunakumbushwa tuko na udhaifu mwingi sana kwa maisha yetu, na zaidi ya yote tuweze kujiimarisha vizuri katika Kristu, tuweze kuimarisha vizuri katika imani yetu ili tuweze kusimama vizuri katika maisha.
Kwa kila Jumaa tunafaa kujifunga, hasa kwa kula nyama, lakini pia tuweze kusali na kutembea na Yesu katika njia ya msalaba.
Kawere kore weche giko magalama kapurona na buore Nairobi. Odoni Senate County ma Nairobi okile Edwin Sifuna okwero malich mokalo winjruok kaachiel kod ogirimiti manyoro nobedo e kind gavana e kaunti onogo Johnson Sakaja kaachiel kod jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto. Ka otwakore jofwambo yango ni winjruok makamano endo en mano ma ok oluwore koda chike, kendo en kaka seneta ma Nairobi ne ok okawo pache ewi chendo nendo ka bendo yango ni gavana Sakaja nyocha ne olero ni onge chendo moro amora mabende koro gidhi kete lwet piny owacho mamalo kamano yango ni otime tok chike, kendo biro medo neno ni ogirimiti kata winjruok makamano endo ok odhi nyime.
Just last week, the governor of Nairobi City County, Johnson Sakaja, in his address to the County Assembly of Nairobi, derided what he termed the NMS experiment that left us with a Kenya shillings 16 billion hole in pending bills, and vowing to never engage in similar misadventure. I wish to remind Governor Sakaja that the Senate in fact directed that those NMS pending bills were the responsibility of State House, from where he was speaking yesterday, since their accounting officer for NMS was the comptroller. He should have used the opportunity yesterday to remind the president that thousands of contractors and workers are still owed money by State House, and their livelihoods remain in peril as Ruto continues to ignore them. This agreement is a blatant continuation of the NMS model, and with it, the culture of unpaid bills, weak audit systems, and unbridled corruption. Fourthly, it is in the public knowledge that the national government owes Nairobians over 100 billion shillings in unpaid rates and other payables from national government institutions. Ruto throwing around the figure of 80 billion as a symbol of his generosity to the people of Nairobi is nothing but a ruse. Fifthly, the national government continues to hold on to functions that are solidly county functions under the 4th schedule of the Constitution. For instance, the Constitution recognizes only 2 levels of roads, and that is national trunk roads and county roads. Kenyans must note that national government agencies like Kura and Kera continue to insist on doing roads in Nairobi when they clearly need to hand over those roads and the attendant resources to the county government of Nairobi.
Wach makamano endo bende osiri koda jaod bura ma Embakasi East Babu Owino ma okwedo kanye endo Johnson Sakaja moyango ni kinde mane ne yiere ne osingo mar ne biro loko boma endo kata kaunti ma Nairobi, kendo chwalo chendo mag dongruoge mopogore opogore ka sani to koro tich otame, kendo dhi omanyo jatend piny Kenya ma bende oyango ni tich otamo ne ogande pacho kaendi. Oyango ni chendo geko mago mag chwalo pi maler, choko taka kaachiel bende koda neno ni weche geko mag odundu mag winyago olosi en tij kaunti, to ka koro osechwal gi lwet piny owacho nendo mamalo, koro nyiso ni Sakaja tich otamo, kendo chendo mag thieth bende ok osebedo ka dhi nyime yo nendo makare e kaunti onogo. Kuom mano endo Sakaja oyango ni tich otamo, kendo koro nyaka dhi mana pacho.
Value, and therefore as a governor you say and you want Nairobi to work. Nairobians are mourning because of your incompetence. You've let us down, and the national government, you are also very incompetent. So an incompetent body taking over another incompetent body in the name of delivering. What a shame. This is a race of 2 pygmies competing on who is taller than the other. What a shame. Nairobi itself has not received serious projects from the national government. Then the national government is coming in the name of delivering Nairobians from the bondage of incompetence, from the graveyard of corruption, from the cemetery of confusion. And clearly, this is a sham. Governor Sakaja has reduced himself because right now he's going to work under the county government, under the national government of Kenya, which means that all his roles have been waived. He has transferred all his responsibilities to the national government. So we condemn this act, and I know that there's nothing new that is going to happen. Transfer of a function like roads, transfer of functions like water, street lighting, and garbage collection. This is just going to be new corruption. First of all, the national government should...
Jatend piny Kenya Moluor William Samoei Ruto odiochieng' makawuono ne oluorore kuonde dak mopogore opogore buore Nairobi e kinde makoro nono chendo mag dongruoge ma piny owacho chwale gwenge ma konindo ka otwak gi jopiny e kinde manomole kuonde dak machalo kaka Dandora. Jatend piny oyango ni chendo mopogore opogore mag dongruoge en mago eko makoro piny owacho mare chwalo e kaunti nogo ma Nairobi ka oting'o kanindo gedo mag apeyni neno ni pi maler ochopo negi e kinde mamoko kama bende okwedo kanyindo kweth makwedo piny owacho moyango ni koro nono kendo kaka ndalo medo dhi to koro gibro neno ka chendo mag dongruoge timo kendo onge gigo eko makoro gibro godo kama bende onyiso geno mare mar biro chako yombe yiero nendo mabiro kojiwo oganda go mag mondo mi koro sire lwedo tielo machielo.
We are now working. Sisi wakati tulisema kazi ni kazi, we meant it. That is why today, sisi ni watu wa kazi. Sisi ni watu wa mpango. Tuko na sera, tuko na agenda, tuko na maono. We have a track record for what we have done. We can account for our present. And we have a plan and an agenda and a program for the future. Our competitors, they neither have a track record for anything they have done in the past. They don't even know, and they cannot account for their present. And sadly, I say sadly, they have no vision, they have no plan, they have no agenda, they have no program, they have no vision for the future of our country. The difference between our team ya kazi na muungano na umoja ya Wakenya na wale ambao wanaendelesha matusi na makelele, tofauti yetu na wao ni kama usiku na mchana bwana. Ama mnasemaje Nairobi? Tuendelee na kazi, tuungane, mnasema tushirikiane. Wangapi hapa ni watu wa broad based? Wangapi ni watu wa broad based? Mnasema broad based, tuunganishe Kenya. Tuunganishe Kenya. Tufukuze ukabila. Tuondoe chuki. Tuondoe migawanyiko. Tuondoe ubaguzi. Kenya iungane iwe moja. Hebu nione wala wanasema tuungane jameni, tuungane, tuungane, tuungane. Kabisa. Tutaongeza pesa ya kujenga barabara za Nairobi. Hapa Nairobi bado tuko na barabara nyingi ni ya matope. Na ndio nimeweka pesa bilioni 8 ya kujenga barabara za Nairobi, na nimeongeza bilioni 3 na ndugu zetu MCS tupangane na wao ila sehemu kuwe na barabara na tuunganishe Nairobi, watu wa Nairobi waweze kutembea. Nairobi hoye! We have made that commitment that Nairobi must be motorable, Nairobi must be connected, and that is why we are expanding the road infrastructure in Nairobi County. We are committing resources, over 13 billion shillings, to build an extra 200 kilometers of road in Nairobi County so that this can truly be the hub and the city and the capital of the Republic of Kenya.
Ikindo naendo bende no singo mara kore kanyero uda chiedh nade mabendo osebedi ka ikelo koro dundugo eko mag minyaga motuch kata siweja mabendo osebedo ka koro sando ogande gwenge makono ka achiel bende koda singo mar bero chendogo eko mag ohala oyango ni gedo go magute manengo gi ogore pinya mabendo osebedi king'ado omenda jo Kenya 1.5 ka ichwaloe en mago eko machugo thuolo mag tije ne rowere kendo dhi med chwalgi kit chenro mamoko mag dongruoge ne Uganda makono.
Hii siwa system inajengwa kuanzia mwezi ujao, mwezi wa 3. Sasa tutaanza kujenga madaraja. Hapa tuko na daraja 44 kwa hii Nairobi River. Ndio watu wa Nairobi waweze kuvuka hii Nairobi River bila ya hatari na bila ya kusumbuliwa. Wale wanafanya biashara ngambo hiyo waungane na wale wanafanya biashara ngambo hii. Wale wanafanya kazi ngambo hii waungane na wale wanafanya kazi ngambo hiyo. Ndio tuweze kuhakikisha ya kwamba city yetu inaendelea vile city zingine duniani inaendelea. Pia hapa tutaweka maduka ya wananchi wa hapa kufanya biashara. Hapa vile vile tutawajengea manyumba. Sikia bwana. Hapa tunawajengea vile vile manyumba. Na ni nyumba ambayo wewe mwananchi wa kawaida utaweza kulipia. Nairobi hoye! Nairobi hoye! Mnasema tuendelee na kazi ama mnataka wale wa majamaa watuletee vitimbi? Tuendelee na kazi. Wawache sarakasi. Wawache sinema. Wawache vitimbi. Wawache matusi. Wawache ukabila. Wawache ubaguzi. Nairobi tuende mbele. Wangapi wanasema tuembee pamoja jameni? Wangapi wanasema tuembee pamoja?
Komachielo ni anyuola mar Rawera Vincent Ayomo manyocha ne onegi gi obila e kinde romo nendo manobagi ka dak nendo makitengela manendo manotele kora jotenda ODM kamutingo kanyindo gavana county Masia okil James Bob Agrorengo Senate county ma Nairobi Edwin Sifuna jaod bwana member Kasi East Babu Wine kin jotelo ge komomoko manotese ne lenda wananchi koro nyiso ng'ur margi kaachiel koda nono ma Indian Bank koro ne otamgi ni bero mabende no winjo be ni timo ne ringre Ayoma koro ne ok nyal timo odiochieng' di makawuono. Anyuola nendo mowuok e kaunti ni ma Kisumu yango ni ne giwuok e boma ni ende kendo molo nyaka buore Nairobi kane gigeno mar mondo mi ging'e kaka koro wuodgi nendo ne otho. To kane gichopo kar kano ringre joma otho nogo no nyisgi ni onge lipot moro amora mabende ging'e wi timo bero makamano kendo koro chore kuom kinde ma ok ong'ere ka ajogo iko mane giyudo kanyo nyisogi mar mondo mi gichagi dhi apisi nendo mar okwach kicha makitengela kama Vincent ne onegi ka koro giyango ni gionge kod nyalo manendo mar medo bedo kono kuom kinde kendo dwaro ratiro ne wuodgi.
Nilikuwa najua postmortem watafanya leo. Sasa tulipofika hapa tena tunaanza kuzungushwa. Tumeongoja tangu asubuhi saa 12 mpaka saa 4. Ndio tena tunaambiwa ati bado turudi tena Kitengela, sijui malo walimlekesha mwili sijui nini. Sasa tuelewi mambo inakuwa aje hapa. Na unajua sisi tuko kwa familia tunaomba for justice. Waone venye watatusaidia. Serikali ndio wanajua venye watafanya hii mambo. Waone venye watatusaidia. Sisi tunataka justice ya Vincent. Na sasa tumekuwa tunazungushwa kuja hivi enda huko, ilikuwa ni jana tena tumeambiwa ni leo, tena leo tunaambiwa turudi Kitengela. Sasa tujui tuende wapi tufanye nini, ndio atuelewe wanataka cover up hii maneno kama familia kulingana venye wanafanya. Na unajua nimeona Vincent sasa amefura kabisa na sasa mwili inaharibika. Unajua postmortem inafaa ifanywe haraka mwili inaharibika. Sasa sijui serikali wako na nia gani na hii maneno, atuelewi.
Natuuma sana kama bradangu kukaribu kupasuka. Ameoza already. Leo ni siku ya 3, kesho ni siku ya 4. Ameharibika. Na si kifo ati alikuwa mgonjwa. Kifo tu ya serikali. Tunaumia sana, tunaumia. Kama bradangu anaharibika kwa mochari. Na hakuna hata kitu tunakuja, tunarudi. Sasa hiyo ni nini tena?
Mago timore kinde ma jatend migao mochung' ne arita kwe ma ipacho migosi Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen bende koro kwayo josiasa mar mondo mi one ni kinde duto ma gibago rombe mag siasa to giture kod apisas mag obila mar mondo mi koro chiwnegi arita kwe. Oyango masira ma kamano ma bende ne otimore ka dak onogo ma Kitengela ka oyango ni odiochieng' endo ne en chieng' chiro kendo ji mathoth ma bende ne onge nyasi machalo kamano endo koro ne oyudore e kinde ma jotelo eko nomuolo kanyo. Bende okwedo tim moro moyango ni josiasa sani obiro godo manendo mar ting'o jopiny ka gitiyo koda nyamburko mopogore opogore mar mondo mi odhi ogone giko kirombe giko mag siasa ma bende koro giyuore ka owacho ni owinjo bed ni jotelo eko mole kuonde moganda eko nitie kendo twak kodgi mak ni koro gisombo gi nyamburko. Oyango bende ni jonjore mosebedo ka donje dweche eko mag siasa ka josiasa moko bende tiyo kodgi nyaka koro kaw nego ondamo mager mar chik. Oyango ni nondo duto weche eko dhi nyime.
We want to encourage political leaders in this political season to work closely with the security sector. If you have a function, a rally and a meeting, it's important that you notify the police. For example, the recent rally in Kitengela was unfortunate because, first of all, it targeted market day. So there were so many Kenyans who were coming to the market who were not intending to engage in any political activity, whose business activities were unfortunately inconvenienced by the political activities that happened that day. If they had chosen another day, which was not a market day, perhaps many people would not have been inconvenienced. Number two, even after you choose whichever day you choose, it was important to report to the police officers in good time. That also was unfortunate that the report was not given to the police officers so they can provide security. And the idea of carrying goons, like the case we saw, people carrying goons from Nairobi, mobilizing them from Machakos to take them to a rally. Why don't you just go and address the rally? Why don't you go and address the people of that area? Why take it to Kitengela if you have to carry people from Nairobi to go and address them? And then you carry them to go and cause chaos and violence. This idea of moving Kenyans and people from other parts of the country in the name of goons must come to a stop. And that investigations that is ongoing by the National Police Service will give us details as to who was doing what, who was throwing tear gas, who was carrying goons, who was causing violence. And as soon as that investigation is completed, I believe that everyone will be brought to justice.
Yena marmoro miakao yueyo mokwonge kidieni ndi mar ng'end weche waduogo bang' kinde machuok kuom anendo med mana kete Kala TV.
Nasikia kuna game ilikuchoma last week eh? Yeah, tulia. Sai must be one jackpot locked and loaded. Alafu cheki. Niko na passport ya jackpot. Mimi nakwambia inaweza cross 50 mili in 8 weeks eh? Iko. Hitu. Nifungulie njia 50 mili. Jackpot lazima ipate wina. Kila wiki mbili, assist ya Game Pass inaingia. Games zinashuka from 15 games hadi 12 games by week 8. Na msipobeba bado, tunaipeana kwa the next best performer. So, 50 mili ni lazima iende. Sinilua show, phone yako inaweza kuwa passport ya kushika 50 mili kwa must be one jackpot. Na sasa tumefika final up mtu wangu. Hii ni yetu.
Get ready to elevate your business and any other commercials when you advertise with us. We are not just a channel. We are your gateway to the peak, for we give you the precision and desire to your commercials. Let us be your partner in success, broadcasting your message to thousands of our viewers. Contact Kala TV today and let's make the magic together.
Machiegni kendo jogo eko modak koda ng'ol mopogore opogore koro gi kinde nende kwayo mar mondo mi owuog oko kendo nene gindikore kod riwruoge kata grubege koma bende osewuok oko magiko mag joma kamago mar mondo mi giyud kony kaachiel bende kod gik mamoko kawuok kuom piny owacho kaachiel kod riwruoge goeko moko mag piny owacho mabende koro nyalo konyogi e ngimagi mapile pile. Jafwambo marwa Felo Gobliza nigi ler mathoth.
Kwama kamae ogol kod Mikae Caroline Agwanda ma en jang'ad rieko ne gavana e kaunti ma Kisumu ewi jogo mani kod ng'ol. Okoni tend kaunti ma Kisumu komakore gi riwruoge mamoko mok mag piny owacho kaka OWID mitayo gi mabul mar CBM Global Disability Inclusion ni kod chenro malong'o mar neno ni jogo duto mani kod ng'ol e kaunti no odew kendo sire yo malong'o mar chuogo nigi tije ma ginyalo konyore godo kokalo e riwruoge ma gintiere.
Governor's manifesto is clear on disability inclusion and partnership, and we are partnering with CBM Global Disability Inclusion through the organization that they fund, that is HOWID. So CBM Global Disability Inclusion supports Hope Women with Disabilities to run project called OPD Lead Project Phase 2. So this project, one of the activities is to engage the caregivers. So for those caregivers who are at home and they've not got an opportunity to join support groups, we call upon you to join the support group. You can reach out to the county health department. They will refer you, or they can reach out to the HOWID team so that they join the caregiving, where they share the challenges, and if there are supports or programs for training. They've been trained on child rights, mental health, disability inclusion, and how to start a small business that can support them. We are looking forward as a county also to work with our departments, that is the agriculture department, so that the agriculture department can give seedlings to the caregivers for food security.
Orka kore Vivian Sikinyi ma en apisa matayo chenro e riwruogno mar HOWID okoni kuom kinde mathoth ng'eny jogo modak kod ng'ol osebedi kiweyo oko e chenro mageto bero ngima jo Kenya kaluwore ni gionge kod riwruok margi motegno. Bende olero okenge ma giseketo mar konyo jogo modak kod ng'ol e bero chal mar ngimagi ka gitiyo machiegni gi 10 counties ma pacho ka.
This program is the OPD Lead project, and by OPD Lead we mean organizations of persons with disability, leadership, engagement and development. CBM Global did a needs assessment and realized that in the communities, the OPDs, which are groups for persons with disabilities, are not at the seat of decision making. The program came in place to support and work with organizations of persons with disability directly. Generally, the project has worked with 11 different groups from 8 different counties, and we are here today in Kisumu to see the benefits of the project and how it is so far. One thing that is to be highlighted about the project is the importance of persons with disability coming up with their own initiative, because themselves and working with the community and the people in their communities to learn about different aspects of the project. So I'd like to call upon every organization, national, international, and the government also. It is good to work with the organizations of persons with disability and let them lead their own initiatives. Working with them demonstrates that they can be able to come up with their own initiatives and they can be able to lead their own initiatives instead of bringing to them what we have already designed. If we give them a chance, if we give them an opportunity, they can be able to design their own initiatives, their own projects, and they can be able to work together with their own community and deliver.
Ikindego bende, jogo mani kod ng'ol to osendikore gi rube olero kit ber ma giseyudo e riwruogno mar CBM Global Disability Inclusion.
Naitwa Catherine Wafula. I'm a member of HOWID na ninashukuru sana CBM imeweza kutuinua kama wanawake wa
Dongani Cynthia Tieno waseyudo kony kaka wheelchairs, waseyudo wheelchairs gikonyo nyithindewa mondo at least ginyalo move from one place to another. Howid osekonyowa nyaka gi yedhe, wan gi nyithindo moko modak e yath go ema konyo ngimagi.
Felo Gobliso Chieng, Kisumu County, Kala TV.
Komachielo en ni machon en ogai mar jong'ad buche pacho kendi jang'ad bura mabende nosedhi rutaya David Kinani Maraga odiochieng' ma kawuono noyudore kama tek e kaunti no ma Tharaka Nithi bang' moko kuom jopiny mowuok e kaunti no endo koro tame kendo rogone mar mondo mi kik koro omole gwenge ma konindo. Maraga mabende osebedo kaluwore kod gwenge mopogore opogore ka jiwo oganda mar mondo mi ondikre kaka jolut ombulu kaachiel bende kod medo nyayo chia mare kaluwore kanyendo koda kom mar jatend piny mabende ogeto yiero nendo mabiro. Oganda goeko mowuok e Tharaka Nithi noyango ni gisiro kanyendo piny owacho kata tutama kinyalo paro ni jalup jatend piny ngire Abraham Kithure Kindiki wuok e gwenge ma konindo ka jafwambo mar Brenda Genyo nigi ler mathoth.
Tharaka Nithi mawachore ni opong' koda ka joera mag jalup jatend piny owacho ngire Kithure Kindiki ne okomiyo migosi David Maraga yot e sach limbene e seche mane otemo goyo debe ne lek mare mar bedo jatend piny e yiero maduong' mabiro.
Kwa majina naitwa Casemiro. Mimi ni mkazi wa Tharaka. Na hapa Tharaka ni two term. Hapa Tharaka hakuna sera tunataka. Sera ya Profesa Kindiki imetosha. So hapa mtu yeyote anasema ni one term haingii Tharaka. Kila mahali Maraga ameenda leo amekutana na sisi. Na tunasema Tharaka tuko ndani ya serikali na hakuna mtu yeyote ata serikali. Hapa Tharaka sasa tunaona maendeleo inaendelea, tunatengenezewa lami, stima imeingia. Hapa University of Affordable Housing. Sasa kuna sera nyingine tunaweza uziwa. Sera ni ya barabara, ni ya housing.
Tesend goyo ombulu adek ne omonji kod ojende kamoko kuom jotelo bende ne okwedo limbeno kakata msafara mag nyamburko ne ochuno mondo mi odog chien bang' ka thoth apeyni ne odin.
Ya maji na miradi yote imeanza. So hapa tunasema ni two term na tutaki mambo ya one term. Two term. Jana mko hapo.
Tunasema hivi, kwa majina naitwa McDonald Mwenda ama McD, na tunasema hivi, sisi sio kwamba tunakataa watu wakuje kuuza sera, lakini hatutaki siasa ya matusi, na sisi one term ina sound kama matusi kwetu. Ukikuja hapa ni kwa Kindiki, na sisi ndio Kindiki. Kindiki ni fire si fire. Kindiki ni noma si noma. Kwa hivyo sisi tunasema ya kwamba viongozi wale wote ambao wanafikiria Kindiki si kiongozi, wale ambao wanatusi Kindiki hatutaki na hatuwataki hapa Tharaka, kwa sababu hapa ni bedroom ya Profesa Kithure Kindiki. Tutam.
Kwa majina naitwa Daniel Mugambi, mwanafunzi wa mwaka 4 chuo kikuu cha Tharaka.
Maraga ne ochano rado koda jopuonjre mag kuonde tiegruok mopogore opogore kod rowere gi jotendgi e bomano mag Tundu, to kata kamano limbeno nogore e lwanda.
Tunasikia uchungu sana wakati tunaona vijana wetu, kiongozi mchapakazi mwenye ameleta ubunifu, ametuliza serikali ya William Samoei Ruto yenye ilikuwa inatingizika, akaingia kwa ofisi akapanga mambo kila kitu saa hii na run project ya affordable housing hapa Tharaka University. Next year wanafunzi wenye watajoin form force watapata mahali pa kulala. Lami kwa hii njia yenye Maraga amepitia nao, anatumia lami ya Kithure Kindiki na William Samoei Ruto. Maji tunawekewa, miradi yote ya serikali inaendelea fiti. Kitu wenye tunakataa sisi, hatutaki mwana akuwe wa kabila gani ama gani, akuwe ametoka side gani ya nchi ya sisi kwa kauli moja, sisi kama wanafunzi wa Tharaka University na wakazi wa Tharaka tunasema ni two term, tuko ndani ya serikali na tubanduki. Sisi ndo Kindiki na Kindiki ndiye deputy president na 2032 Kindiki is the sixth. Kindiki is the sixth. Kindiki is the sixth.
Kwa niaba ya wakazi wa Tharaka community na Tharaka University tunasema ya kwamba hiyo agenda yenye Maraga anataka kutupea saa hii angefanya akiwa CJ. Angeimplement hiyo mambo akiwa CJ. Uwezi kimbia hapa saa hii utuambie president ni one term, President, ushaiona president one term? Ushaiona president one term? Sisi ndio Ruto na Ruto ni sisi, si ndio? Tumesema ni KBB, kazi bila break. Na kitu yenye tunaweza ambia Maraga, sera yake haina shida, lakini amekuja wakati yenye haifai. Si ndio? Hiyo mambo yake angemaliza ile maenzi akiwa CJ.
Nekala TV and Brenda Agenyo.
Eka kinde machalo kamano endo David Maraga kutoka Koret no nyiso piny owacho ni chalo kagima koro koyo mang'ich dhi kaachiel kod luoro oseolore kuom gimomiyo gimonjo rombego eko mopogore opogore ma obagi kod kweth makwero piny owacho ka omedo jiwo piny owacho ka okale duol modiero kar kende mochung'ne tayo yiero kaachiel kod yango keyo pacho kendi IEBC mar mondo mi one ni omole kor gwenge kendo timo andiko ne jopiny kaluwore ni apise geko mag IEBC moko nitiere maboyo kendo jopiny moko thothgi ok biyudo thuolo mar mondo mi koro ndikre kaka jolut ombulu.
IEBC wako katika constituency headquarters. Some areas bali pengine tumeenda kama upande wa coast. Mtu anatakikana kusafiri maili nyingi na kutumia pesa nyingi sana kwenda kwa polling station. Na watu ambao wanatakikana kuenda hivyo ni vijana ambao hawana kazi. There is one place tuliambiwa Puma in Kwale. Kuenda kwa constituency headquarters mtu anahitaji 1500. Hiyo ni transport peke yake. Kuenda na kurudi. Na tunasema serikali ndio inatakikana kupeleka huduma kwa wananchi. Sio wananchi wanaenda kutafuta huduma. Na tunaendelea kuambia IEBC wawe na hiyo registration center katika constituency headquarters. Lakini wawe na mpango kamili ya kwenda kila pahali, kila soko, waende soko. Ni kutangaza tu kusema leo tuko hapa, wiki hii tuko hapa, wiki ijayo tutakuwa pahali fulani, wasije wakakae constituency headquarters. Watu hawawezi kwenda huko. Hiyo ni kitu ambayo imepitwa na wakati. Kenya tumetoka hapo. Ukiona serikali inatumia nguvu wakati huu, hiyo ni kuonyesha wamepanic. Wamepanic. We fikiria uliona ile rally ya Kitengela. Muliona ile news clips. Kulikuwa na furugu yoyote? Hakukuwa na furugu yoyote mpaka polisi wakaenda huko. Wakatupatia gas. What was the cause of they just wanted to disperse the rally. We fikiria hii walienda kwa kanisa. How do you tear gas a church? Pahali wazee wako, pahali watoto wako, na watu ambao pengine wagonjwa. That is total madness. You don't do that. So we condemn that very strongly, and we are telling Ruto, relax. Kenya is moving forward. If you are continuing to remain in the old days, Kenya is moving forward, and we are not going to entertain that.
Weche mamoko ni jatend migawo mar arita kwe ma ipacho migosi Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen koro yango lai moketi manendo mar biro neno no jiw chendo gi kuma garita kwe e boma nendo ma Nairobi kaachiel kod bombe madongo mopogore opogore pacho kaende ka oriwo Kisumu, Eldoret kaachiel kod Nakuru. Ka otwak ma Indian Bank koro winjruok bedo manendo mar mondo mi ne kaka inyalo los kanyendo kidienyo nogo mar obila mong'ere kaka Nairobi Metropolitan Police oyango kanyendo ni bende gidhi tiyo kod tipo eko mag wang' dede kata CCTV mar mondo mi koro yang jonjore makamago kati ni bende koro idhi med kete gwenge mopogore opogore mar mondo mi koro chendo mag arita kwe obed kare. Oyango ni bende biro tim kachero e kendo chendo eko mamoko makoseber buore Nairobi tichwalo e bombe madongo mopogore opogore.
Nairobi Metropolitan Police Unit is, as we speak, we have county police leadership in Nairobi and regional police leadership in Nairobi. In fact, we subdivided Nairobi to 3 regions. And what the president was saying is for us to look at how other metropolis work all over the world, in London, in other progressive cities. And we don't want to benchmark with small fellow developing countries. Now we want to benchmark on where we are going, which is first world. We want to look at how do you reorganize metropolis and how do you provide their security? What are the additional security equipments, additional security infrastructure, including cameras that are supposed to be used in the city? What kind of vehicles are required? We'll do in Nairobi will become the prototype that we will apply now in all the other 4 cities in the country and other upcoming urban areas. So these, we are going to have to work on a very serious paper that looks at comparative analysis and studies of what has happened in other countries. Thankfully, there are other researches that have been done before. We are going to just review and then look at how we will provide a unique policing system within the Nairobi metropolis. And once we are done, then we can take that to Nakuru, Kisumu, Mombasa and Eldoret, and then other upcoming metropolis, so that we recognize that the challenges that police officers face in the city are unique and require a certain level of cooperation. In fact, part of our plans is to make sure that we incorporate the business community in the city, generally because we want to ensure that their CCTV systems are interoperable with the police ones, so that it is quick to carry out investigations when we have issues. Remember that we are also working on revamping the cameras that have been installed in the Nairobi city. We're moving it from NC3 to NC4 so that we expand the capabilities of those cameras, the analysis, input AI systems that can do a lot of analysis and tell us which areas of the city have which kind of crimes, and so that we can have scientific way of intervening. Under that framework, we are sitting together with the national government, the county government, to make sure that the pickpockets, the criminals, the gangs, the drug peddlers in the city are going to be dealt with by having a better system that is going to work as part of the Nairobi metropolis.
Yena marumurumia make gikanye ndotino nende makawuono irukamano kumne bedo koda chakruok nyaka giko nyinga Joash Odhiambo Mitula kajaloko marwe nyadende bela achien kaweche gieki bine podi nyalo medo luwo kokalo mbui magwa mag tudruok manindo Kala TV Live, Facebook, X @Kala TV kaachiel kod YouTube Kala TV Kenya. Bed kod otieno mokwe.